students, welcome to online classes. In previous session, we have discussed about how to multiply two matrices. In this session, we have to discuss transpose of a matrix, how to identify or how to detect transpose of a matrix and its properties. So, here are the definitions. Transpose of a matrix, the matrix obtained by interchanging the corresponding rows and columns of a matrix A is called the transpose matrix of A. It is denoted by A dash or A or T. It can be written as in the two forms A dash or A or T. That means, suppose A is a matrix, any matrix Aij of M into N order. If a matrix having Aij, its order is M into N, then its transpose, it can be written as A to the power T, or we can be written as A dash, that equal to A to the power Ji, and the order is N into N. That means transpose means interchanging the rows to columns and column to rows. Now take some examples here to understand clearly. Suppose A is a matrix having A1, B1, A2, B2 and A3, B3. It is a matrix having order 3 into 2. 3 into 2 means having 3 rows and 2 columns, so its order is 3 to 2. If I found its transpose, that means A to the power T. A to the power T means transpose of matrix A, and that is transpose means interchanging corresponding rows and columns, rows into columns. That means first row is A1 B1 and its first column is A1 B1. Similarly, second row is A2 B2 and second column is A2 B2. Interchanging rows into columns. A3 B3. Third row is changing to third columns. So it's and its order is 2 into 3. So transpose means rows interchanging rows to columns, and the order 3 into 2 is 2 into 3. So that's the example of the transpose of matrix. Now we have discussed its properties of transpose of matrix. Properties of transpose of a matrix. So different types of properties here. Now we have discussed thoroughly. Suppose let A and B are two matrices. Two matrices. Properties number 1. In properties 1, we have discussed A to the transpose of transpose is equal to A. That means if we calculate transpose a matrix of transpose, that means its matrix. So now take example here. Let A is a matrix and its element are 2, 3, 5, 0, 6, 8. So A is a matrix and its order is 2 into 3, 2 rows and 3 columns, so it is 2 into 3. Now we have to calculate first A to the power transpose. Transpose, how to calculate transpose? We are interchanging rows into columns. So this matrix will be 2, 3, 5. First row changing to first column and second row changing to second column. and its order is 3 into 2. Now we have to found Edward transpose of transpose. That means first we found Edward transpose. Now transpose of transpose. First in this bracket here Edward transpose. Edward transpose value is 2,0,3,6,5,8. The value of Edward transpose is this, and it's also transpose. If we found the transpose of this matrix, now we get first row is first column, second row is second column, third row is third column. And this value is equal to the given matrix, and that matrix is A. So in properties 1, we have verified Edward transpose of transpose in A. So here we can write transpose of matrix of transpose is equal to A. Now we have discussed the properties number 2, and that is property number 2, that is summation of two matrix and its transpose. That means we can write A plus B whole to transpose is equal to A to the transpose plus B to the transpose. Now we verify some examples to take. Here are the examples. Let two matrix, suppose A is a matrix 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 3, 2, 0, 0, 4. The matrix having order 3 into 2, and another matrix 6, 2, 1, 0, minus 5, 3, and the order will be 3 into 2. We take same orders matrices because we cannot add if the order is not same. So in the left part of this matrix, first A plus B whole to the transpose. If we verify, then you will take first left hand side. So here left hand side is A plus B whole to the transpose. And if we put the value of A, so in this value of A is 1, 5, 3, 2, 0, 4. And its order is 3 into 2 plus the value of B is 6, 2, 1, 0, minus 5, 3. And its order will be 3 into 2. This transpose. First value, put the value of A and B and its transpose. In previous session we have discussed how to add two matrices. First of all, we have to check first how to add, because if they have same order, we can add them. So in these questions we can add. So the value is 1 plus 6. The value addition of two matrices means corresponding element to corresponding element. Addition of two corresponding elements. So here 1 plus 6, that is 7. 5 plus 2 is also 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 0, that is 2. 0 plus or minus 5, that is minus 5. 4 plus 3, that is 7. Transpose. And its value is, if we transpose them, then we get first row is first column, 7, 7. Second row is second column, and third row is third column. And that is the value of the left hand side. Now we take right hand side, and here right hand side is transpose of A plus transpose of B, and then add them. So first we calculate transpose of A. Here the transpose of A is, we already transpose of A, right? So we get 1, 5, first row is changing to first column, second row is changing to second column, and 0. So transpose of the value of transpose of E is this. Plus similarly, transpose of B is 6 to first column 1 0 minus 5. Now we add them. We can add them because it's having same order, because its order is 2 into 3 because 2 row and 3 columns. It also 2 into 3. Now add them 1 plus 6. Add them corresponding element to corresponding elements. That means 1 plus 6, that is 7. 3 plus 1, that is 4. 0 plus or minus 5, that is minus 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 0, that is 2. 4 plus 3, that is 7. And to check them, left hand side is similar to the right hand side. So here left hand side is equal to right hand side. So in this property number 2 is A plus B or transpose is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. Now we proceed to property number 3, and that is if a scalar is multiplied to any matrices, property number 3, that is K into A to the row transpose is equal to K into A to the row transpose. Here K is any scalar. Here K is any scalar we call any constant. Now verify this formula or the properties. Now let take a matrices A and value is 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, 5. And we take the value of K is suppose 3 and 3 is a scalar. So now verify these properties. Is that correct or not? Now the left side of this property is, that is K into A whole to the transpose. So we can write K, the value of K is 3 into matrix of A is 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, 5 to whole to the transpose. How to, in previous session we calculate how to multiply scalar multiplication matrix. Scalar multiplication matrix means if the scalar value is multiplied the whole elements of this matrix. So 3 is multiply all the elements of this matrix. So it can be written as 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 3. It means all multiply to all elements. 9, 12, minus 3, 0, and that is 15. The transpose. Now I found the transpose matrix, that is transpose matrix means row changing rows into columns. So we can write as 3, 9, 12. First row changes to first column and second row changing to second column. And this is the value of this left part. Now we take right part. That is right hand side, and the right hand side is K into A to transpose. Now put the value of K. Here the value of K is 3, and the transpose of A is, if we found the transpose of A, transpose of A 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 0. We already write in the transpose of A. Now if multiply 3 in all the elements, I get 3 minus 3, 9, 0, 12, 15, not minus 15. So if we verify left hand side to right hand side are both are equal. So we can write left hand side is equal to right hand side. So in property number 3, if any scalar is multiplied to any matrix of transpose, then equal to scalar is multiplied transpose of any matrices. Now to proceed to fourth point, and that is property number 4, and that is very important in long distance category. 4 is important part, and that is in multiplication form, if transpose of AB that equal to, remember, first B to the transpose into A to the transpose. In the left hand side, first matrix is A, in the right hand side, first matrix is B. So it is a, we call reversal method or reversal conduct. So in property number 5, transpose of AB is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. Now we check this formula. Let A is a matrix having 2, 1, 3, 0, 4, 5. Another matrix, B is a matrix having 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 4. Now, in the left part of this property number 4, that a transpose of AB. So first we calculate AB. Now the value of A is 2, 1, 3, 0, 4, 5 into the value of B 1, 2, 3, 0, 5. First we have to check, is it possible to multiply them? So first we write order of this matrix. So this order of the first matrix is 2 into 3, and the order of the second matrix is 3 into 2. So first we check, is it possible? In previous session we have discussed, is it possible? If it is possible, if order of number of first column is equal to number of rows of second matrix. If equal, then we can multiply. So in these questions, the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of second matrix. So there is a result equal, so you can multiply. If we multiply, then the result of the matrix must be first and here. First is 2 and last is 2. So order of this matrix must be 2 into 2. 2 into 2 means having 2 rows and 2 columns. That means we have to find 2 rows and 2 columns. Now it is a position of for A11. That means first row and first column. First row and first column. So we can multiply 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 3 3 plus 3 into 5, that is 15. And it is a position of A12, that means first row and second column. First row and second column means first 2 into 2 plus 4, 1 into 0 0 plus 3 into 4, 12. Similarly, it is a position of 2 ones, that means write 0 into 1 0 plus 12 plus 5 into 5, that is 25. Similarly, it is a position of A22, that means second row and second column. So 0 plus 20. Now we calculate them, get result. 15 plus 5, that is 20, 16, 37 and 20. That is the result of A into B. Now we take left part of this property. That means here the left side is transpose of AB. Now we put the value of first AB, and the value of AB is 20, 16, 13, 7, 20. And we found the transpose of this matrix. So the value of this transpose is changing rows into columns. So 20, 16 in first row, it changing to first column, and 37, 20. This is the result of the left part. Now we check the right side. So here right side is transpose of B into transpose of A. So first we will write the transpose of B. The transpose of B is 1, 2. First row is changing to first column, 3, 0, 5, 4. Third row changing to third column. And so the order is 2 into 3. Now, transpose of A, first row changing to first column, and 0, 4, 5. Second row changing to second column, and its order is 3 into 2. First, we have to check, is it possible to multiply them? Yes, it is possible because the number of column of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. So these are equals, so you can multiply. And the result of this, the order of the result is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 means having 2 rows and 2 columns. So these are 2 rows and 2 columns. This is the position of these matrices. So first it is a position of A11. A11 means multiply first row and first column. So if multiply 1 into 2, that is 2, plus 3 into 1, 3, plus 15. Similarly, it's a position of A12, that means first row and second column, that is 0 plus 12 plus 5 into 5, that is 25. Similarly, this is a position of 2 ones. 2 1 means second row and first column. So we multiply 4 plus 0 plus 12. Similarly, it's a position of 2 2. Second row and second columns. That means 0 plus 20. We calculate them. Then we found 20, 37, 16, and 20. And its order is 2. Now check them. Is it equal to left hand part and right hand side? Here the value of left hand side is 20, 37, 16, 20. And the right hand side, result of the right hand side is 20, 37, 16, 20. So these are equal. So here left hand side is equal to right hand side. So in this session we have discussed how to calculate transpose of a matrix and its properties. I hope you have already learned this session.